How can we be more excellent today than we were yesterday? My name is Marcia Jean NAEGELI, and I am the CEO and founder of NAEGELI Deposition Trial. And my role here is to lead this battleship every day.
My name's Juliet Kivo, and I'm the Vice President here at NAEGELI Deposition Trial.
My name is Sarah Coleman, and my role here is Chief of Staff.
Business is kind of a competition and a sport for all of us. Yes, we like to be successful, but the main driving force is just the competitive challenge every day of being great. I think about this probably nightly, about greatness. How can we always treat others the way we want to be treated? How can we treat our clients really well?
Some of the biggest challenges are scaling appropriately as we continue to grow and finding the right people to bring on board. We take our client care very seriously, and not everyone understands that passion.
So court reporting and litigation support has evolved drastically in the last few years. We are experiencing new tech coming in.
Only 5% of cases even go to trial. So really your deposition process is where the cases are won or lost. So we've got to get that testimony out quickly and accurately.
So we looked at different partners, different vendors, and when we met Verbit, the company as a whole was really excellent at teaching us, showing us what we needed to have done and what their program could do and how it could best help us serve our clients and also just help our company run more efficiently. NAEGELI uses Verbit technology every day. We use it for our reporting. We have some excellent reporters that use the technology to help us get rough drafts out quicker to our clients, get our deliverables out a lot quicker, more accurate as well.
We view the big cases as important as the small because we want to execute flawlessly every time. So whenever we have something that is time sensitive, that is when we will especially go to Verbit.
Verbit has lifted a weight off of our internal staff.
So I see technology overall just increasing our accuracy, increasing our ability to take on more cases, and attorney workloads being able to increase as well.
Without court reporters, people don't have access to justice.
You've got to perform. We have to have rough drafts, finals out same night. They have to be perfect. Everything has to just go excellently. And so we knew that we could rely on Verbit to work with us. We performed beautifully as well as Verbit, and it was like, a symphony in the end of great testimony.